I'm just having a look at the before pictures now. I kind of knew it was that bad, but obviously I covered it up well. So like anyone that didn't really know how bad it was, if they see these, like the transformation is pretty unbelievable, to be honest. I'm Wayne Bridge and I'm here for a review of my hair transplant. I think not having hair can make you feel low in confidence. Before I came to DHI, I was losing a lot at the front, a lot in the middle as well, and a bit at the back, fairly sparse. It's quite thick hair, so I used to just have to move the hair around to kind of cover it up. I chose DHI because I knew someone that had come here before. I see their hair result, and I came along for the meeting. First met the Dr. Chris, who was really good. Told me about the whole procedure and what goes on. It seemed like the best one out there. The whole procedure in general is pretty much unbelievable what they do. The main reason I would say for coming here in London is the aftercare. You know, you can come in for regular checkups. Like, as you can see, like, it's great. You know, for me, it's get out of the shower, just mess it up a little bit, and I don't have to worry about styling it a certain way. And I've always liked to keep my hair fairly short, but it got to a stage where I was kind of keeping it a little bit longer to cover it up. So it makes me feel better. Yeah, I'm buzzing with the result.